Hi, I'm Chef D and welcome to my kitchen, where today we're going to be doing a pasture-raised pulled pork. A beautiful pork roast, blade roast. You want something that has lots of fat throughout it and that is going to kind of break apart and be really moist, because it's going to take, for this here, we're going to cook it at 250 in a Dutch oven for about 7 hours, so it just falls apart. So we're going to get started, and we're going to take our pork, we're going to put it into our Dutch oven. If you don't have a Dutch oven at home, you can use like a baking sheet or roasting pan. We're going to take a little bit of, again, for those of you who don't smoke it beforehand or are in a condominium or don't have a smoker, you can buy some amazing smoked spices. So we're going to add a little bit of smoked spice to this. Probably about, if it's all said and done, about 3 tablespoons. I'm going to take a little bit of Chinese 5 spice, and you can buy this at any grocery store. We're going to have about 2 tablespoons of the Chinese 5 spice. It's going to make it taste amazing. And then a little bit of granulated garlic. Probably about 3 or 4 tablespoons of that. Then we're going to add a little bit of Crown Royal, or any kind of rye. About half a cup of that. As I mentioned earlier, you want to use an inexpensive red wine, so we're going to add about a half a bottle of red wine into the bottom, because you're going to need lots of moisture. This is going to take a while to cook. And then finally, about a cup and a half of vegetable stock. We're going to put the lid on it. 250 degrees in the oven it goes. You don't have to look at it for the 6 to 7 hours at all. And there we have it. After 6 or 7 hours in the Dutch oven or a roasting pan, even if you want to do it in a crock pot, you can do it in a crock pot. You're going to open it up, make sure you have a cloth, and just look at it. Just beautiful. Kind of crusting up nicely, and then you can just break it apart. And now when you break it apart, you could be adding some barbecue sauce to it, wherever you want to go with it, or because all this great flavor from the wine, the vegetable stock, and all the seasonings, try it on its own, because it tastes amazing. Till next time, I'm Chef D. Won't you join me here in my kitchen? Check out Nutrafarms.ca for this recipe and more. Ciao. Oh man, that's unbelievable.